Hey everybody! This lesson is continuing the idea of word problems, and this time we're multiplying and dividing, and we might be doing more than one thing to finish each problem. So we're bringing it all together and we're adding more operations. So this one is from, let's see, this is from your practice, and it is item 5. A group of 9 people won 1/5 of a $4,500 prize. How much money did each person in the group win? So, if we think about this, there are a few things that I'm noticing. And one is this word of. Okay, so when you see the word of and you have a number before it and after it, you can usually multiply. Okay, I say usually. So, and then if they're getting 1/5 of this prize, I'm guessing they're, splitting it into 5 pieces and taking one of them. So that's multiplying times a fifth or dividing by 5. Okay. We're trying to find how much money did each person in the group win. So we want to know the rate per one person. Okay. So I've got this idea of the 1/5 times the 4,500, but I know that this is per 9 people. Okay. So I'm writing it over 9, or I could write it as dividing by 9. So if I wanted to do that, I'd just say 1/5 times 4,500 over 1 divided by 9 over 1. Okay, so I've got multiplication and division, and now I'm going to have to keep change flip. Okay, so I'll keep everything else the same. I'll change the multiplication, the division to multiplication, and I flip the 9 over 1 to be 1 over 9. And now I'm going to do some cross-canceling. Okay, I've got choices I can make here. I could cross-cancel the 5 and the 4,500, okay? Or I could cross-cancel the 9 and the 4,500. And that's what I'm going to do because I want to get rid of that 9. Okay, it's the bigger number. And I'll make my life easier if I get rid of the 9 versus the 5. 5s are kind of friendly, if you ask me. I don't mind them hanging around in my denominator. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 4,500 divided by 5 is, oh gosh, I divided by 5 there because I was talking about how I liked 5s. Sorry, guys. Cross-canceling, you have to divide by the same number. I'm not allowed to divide by 9 and then 5, so I've got to divide them both by 9. So don't think of 4,500 divided by 9. Think of 45 divided by 9. Okay? 45 divided by 9 is 5. And then I'll add the zeros. All right. So this got a little messy, but what I really have here in the numerator, I have 1 times 500 times 1. In the denominator, I have 5 times 1 times 1. And I can actually cross-cancel again, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, 500 divided by 5 is 100. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So at the end of the day here, I get 100 over 1. Okay. And this would be per one person, okay? The 4,500 was the number of dollars, okay? The 9 was the number of people. The 9 moved to the denominator, so the 1 now is the number of people. And the 100 is the amount of money. So I'm going to say $100 per person. So that didn't end up being very much money, did it? After all that math. Okay,